It might have been thought that the learners' woes had been overcome after Justice Nelson Abotha's orders that teachers suspend the strike for 90 days and resume duty with immediate effect to allow an independent mediation team to craft a roadmap of implementing the pay award of between 50 to 60%.
Engage in conciliation in good faith, limited to exploring the viable modalities of implementing the award in Petition number 5 of 2015, bearing in mind the government fiscal policies and budgetary cycle.
It is from that directive that the government, through a circular, released revised term dates directing schools to reopen on Monday. But the government may have rushed in its decision, as teachers say the dispute is not yet over and that its members will not resume work until certain conditions are met. The Teachers Union KNUT, in a letter to the employer TSC, is asking the Commission to withdraw a case challenging the pay hike. KNUT Secretary General Wilson Sossion says the mediation talks cannot be held with a party challenging the essence of the talks, which is the pay award. The letter in part reads, KNUT is anxious to comply with every aspect of Justice Abotha's judgment or orders, and for that reason requests the Government of Kenya and the TSC's immediate response to enable the KNUT to advise its members appropriately with regard to suspension of the strike, resumption of duties and commencement of conciliation proceedings on implementing of the pay award. End of quote. Just yesterday, Sossion vowed the strike would continue, awaiting a decision by the teachers and a mention on the matter on Monday.
We'll be back to court with our lawyers on Monday afternoon to give the position, to give our feelings, and then from there we will give a proper and final direction to our members. That is the position.
But TSC's communication head Kamodho Kihumba has expressed dissatisfaction with Sossion's letter, saying it is in bad faith and insincere, since TSC had not received the said letter. On whether the Commission will heed the court orders and pay teachers the September salary, Kamodho says the commissioners are yet to be briefed by their lawyers on the ruling and that they will respond once they have been briefed. The case filed by TSC contesting the pay hike is expected to resume Tuesday, during which it will be determined whether a 5-judge bench will be constituted to hear the matter or the number of judges will be maintained at the current 3. Sam Gituko, Citizen Weekend.